Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through how to use slide themes in Google Slides, a full 2026 guide made especially for teachers. If you're creating lesson slides, warm-ups, class instructions, or weekly agendas, themes can save you so much time and keep everything looking clean and consistent. So yeah, let's get started. First, open your presentation in Google Slides. On the right-hand side, you'll usually see the Themes panel automatically. If it's not there, just click Theme in the toolbar. Themes are basically preset designs that control your fonts, colors, backgrounds, and layout styles all at once. Super helpful if you don't want to design every slide from scratch. Scroll through the theme options. Google includes simple themes, colorful themes, and a few that are great for classroom-style presentations. When you click a theme, your entire slide deck updates instantly. If you don't like how it looks, you can switch to another one. Nothing gets permanently changed, so feel free to experiment. Now, if you want more teacher-friendly themes, like ones with clear headings, bright colors, or clean layouts for notes, you can click Import Theme. This lets you pull themes from other presentations you've created or downloaded. A lot of teachers reuse the same theme throughout the school year to keep slide decks consistent for students. Once your theme is applied, you can customize the layouts. Click Slide, then Apply Layout. You'll see options like title slides, section headers, two-column layouts, and more. Using these layouts helps keep your slides organized and aligned, which is great for instructions or multi-step explanations. It also keeps your slides from looking cluttered, something students really appreciate, even if they don't say it. If you want to tweak the colors or fonts without switching the entire theme, open Theme Builder from the toolbar. This is like the teacher version of a magic wand. You can adjust text styles, background colors, and placeholders for every slide at once. For example, you can make all your headers bigger for classroom visibility or set body text to a friendly, readable font. Teachers also love using consistent backgrounds. Click Background to set a solid color, gradient, or image. If you make it through Theme Builder, it stays consistent across the deck. This is super useful for weekly templates like Monday warm-ups or bell ringer slides. Before sharing with students, click Present to preview everything. Check if text is readable from far away, and make sure nothing is distracting or too small. A good theme makes your lesson flow feel smoother without you even thinking about it. So yeah, that's the full 2026 guide to using slide themes in Google Slides for teachers. Once you learn how themes and layouts work, you'll build lesson slides faster, cleaner, and with way less effort. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more teacher-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, Shopin, and happy